Hello guys and welcome to Technology. This is your host Salman, and today I'll be doing an unboxing and a quick review of this cool new product that I got for review. And now this is a wireless charger. Pretty sure you saw that already from the picture on the cool packaging. This is from a brand name Torras. I will leave the link in the description below for the price. So this usually goes for around $40 on Amazon. I might be wrong, but anyways, the link will be in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out. So this is called the C2 wireless charger. This is a wireless charger and is a fast charger as well. So this is how the packaging looks basically on the side, and you just have some dimensions over here, which we really aren't very interested in, some specifications. And you do have some power rating over here, so you see the model number, and then you have the input voltage: 5 volts, 2.0 amperes, 9 volts, 2.0 amperes, 12 volts, 1.5 amperes. And then you have the dimensions over here. Thickness is about 13 millimeter and diameter is about 9 millimeter. Sorry, that was 99 millimeters. This is the other power rating: 15 volts max and all that good stuff. Net weight is about 138 grams. So this is a pretty cool charger. I did take a look at it before actually making this video, so I cheated a little. Forgive me for that. And this is how the interior looks like when you open it. There's a nice flap over here with a picture of a phone on the wireless charger itself. I think it's an iPhone. Yeah, it is an iPhone, and it does come with a power brick included. Just a few specifications over here. This has overcharge protection, so it'll not allow your phone to overcharge. As soon as it charges fully, it'll shut down the power. That's what it basically means. This has voltage protection as well, so if you're living in a place which has a lot of voltage fluctuations, you'll be good, and it will not damage your phone in any case. It will not amplify the voltage or anything like that. You do have anti-skid, so basically your phone doesn't slip off the surface because it has a nice rubber coating on the top. And last but not least, it just tells you that it has some ambient lighting to show that your phone is charging or not charging, or your phone is charged. So it'll change the lighting depending on the status of the charge on your phone. So generally it's like blue when it's charging and green when it's charged, or something like that. So I'm not exactly sure. I haven't actually charged my phone fully with the wireless charger, but it does work and I really like the design. So I'm just going to throw that box to the side. So this is the packaging. Have a nice plastic covering on the side, very premium style packaging, which I really like about this product. So this is the wireless charger itself. It's very well built, trust me, it is. And there is a little bit of a rubberized texture over here in the center to prevent your phone from slipping. This is where there's ambient lighting inside, and it's actually made of aluminum metal. So it feels really sturdy and really solid. It's not something that's made very cheap or something like that. It's made with really high quality materials and has a really good build quality to it, and has a good weight to it, so it really feels premium in the hand. You have some rubberized footing on the back so that this thing doesn't slip here and there, which is really good. It'll look really good on this on your table, on your study table, or on any other portion that you will keep it on. You do have a small instruction manual, which I usually don't read because I don't know, I know about everything. Anyways, other things in the box, you do have the cable, which is really nice. Actually, I like the fact that they provide you with the cable and the charger as well. Here's the charger. Just let me show you that's the last thing in the box. And again, this is going to be a fast charger, which is going this is going to be a fast charger, which you would need, of course, to make the wireless charger fast charge. Now if you're using a normal power brick with this, it will not fast charge. You would need something like this, or you would need your original. If you're using, for example, I'm using a Samsung Galaxy, so those usually come with fast chargers. So if you use that power brick and you have a fast charging cable attached to this, then only it'll work. If you do not have a fast charging cable, or a fast charging adapter, so it's not going to work with that. You're not going to get the fast charging. So you do have the power brick and the wire, which is really neat. I really like the fact that they had provided with this, because a lot of other manufacturers, you know, they usually don't. They only send you this unit, that's it. So the packaging overall is really good. I'm now going to connect it to the power outlet, and I'm going to show you how it looks when it's charging. Alright, so now that I have connected the power brick and the wire attached over there, I'm going to attach this wire to the wireless charger itself. Now this uses a USB type C connector, which is pretty modern. You know, I'm surprised, and I'm actually really impressed with the quality and the overall packaging and the overall product. I'm really impressed with, you know, considering this has USB type C. It's going with the trend, and it's really modern. So I'm going to connect this now, and you can see the light has popped up showing that it is ready to be charged. And yep, now I do have a phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy S8, which I'm going to keep it on this device and show you that it is fast charging. Again, if you might need to turn on the fast charging option in your phone. Some phones have the toggle option, some phones don't. If they don't, then it'll by default start charging wirelessly, but if they do, like in the Galaxy S8, you will need to turn on fast charging separately. So as you saw there, it is fast charging, and you have the LED come up showing, stating that it is fast charging. So as soon as I move it, the LED goes away. And let me see if it is fast charging or not. Yeah, there you go. Fast charging wirelessly, 92%. So you see it's fast charging, and again the light is indicating that it fast charges. Now if fast charging is turned off, it'll obviously not charge, it'll obviously not fast charge, but it'll use standard charging as well. So this will again work with, even if you don't want to fast charge. But again, you know, if you have a phone that supports fast charging wirelessly, this is a great feature, and this will charge probably depending on your device, it'll charge your phone pretty quickly. It should charge your phone pretty quickly. So overall, my review of this product is I'm actually really impressed with this product. Now there's not much I can tell you other than that this is a great product. It's very well built, it has fast charging capability, and it comes with a cable and a fast charging adapter, which is a big plus, because a lot of other manufacturers that sell wireless chargers don't give the cable and the adapters. Other than that, I do not have anything that I would complain about. It's made very well, and it would look really good. It looks very premium, and it will look really good on your desk or in your living room or wherever you'd like to keep it. And it's actually priced also really well. Like I said, it's around $40. I actually forgot the correct price, but it'll be in the description below, so don't forget to check it out if you like this product. So it is very reasonably priced. You can buy it from their website, or you can buy it from Amazon. I will mention all the links in the description. And apart from that, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Please support me by subscribing and hit that like button. It will really help me boost my videos, and support me by hitting the like button. If you have any comments or questions or anything you would like to see, do let me know in the comment section below. And apart from that, have a good day, guys, and hope to see you again on technology. Thanks. Signing out.